Hey, how you doing? Austin here. This is your midnight, late night update for Dogecoin. Did this video last night, was expecting about 500 views, got about 8,000 plus views. So guess what? I'm here doing it again because you know what? At the end of the day, Dogecoin is international, global, and it never sleeps. Not to mention you night owls that are up constantly refreshing your screen, looking at the price of Dogecoin. Is it going up? Is it going down? What's going on with it? So I thought I'd join in and then maybe make a video if you wanted to jump over to YouTube and come check out my stuff. So with all that said, this video is for entertainment purposes only. As I said, my name's Austin. I'm a 30 plus year investor and getting into crypto big time. I don't consider myself a crypto expert, but I'm fast becoming one. I am very, very bullish on Doge, long on them, going to hold them. I don't care what happens after the Elon Musk SNL thing. If we go up, we spike, we drop down. I believe in this cryptocurrency for the long term. So I'm absolutely a fan and I'm 100% in. So with all that said, this is an update video, just kind of updating you on where we're at on the current price, where we at on market cap, some news and information that's come out. There's been a cute little tweet come out related to David Spade, the pretty famous comedian and actor, between him and Elon. I'll show you that. As well, we'll just have some other dialogues, kind of briefly update you on everything. So that's what we're going to do. This is your midnight update on Dogecoin. Here we go. Forgot to mention, if you would, please do me a huge favor, drop a like and consider subscribing to the community here, to this this awesome YouTube channel that I'm building. Not awesome because it's mine, awesome because it's becoming a community where we can all come together, talk about everything that's going on. I got a Patreon group coming in the very near future, so that's something that you're interested in. Check it out, where I'll be showing you everything I'm doing with all the cryptos that I'm getting involved in, when I buy them, when I sell them, all that kind of stuff. So that's on its way. All right, currently, what is going on with Doge? Doge is at 57 cents right now. It is in the last 24 hours down 11.37. It's down 7 cents. This is not unexpected. I've said this in a couple of videos that I've done today. This I was fully expecting. To me, this is the pullback before we possibly could get a pretty significant run up. I definitely fully expect us having a very legitimate shot at getting to $1 either by Saturday or after Saturday. And then, but cards on the table, and again, I'm bullish, I'm a fan. Don't shoot the messenger. We could have a serious drawback. I mean, a pullback where people do sell off. That could happen. I want you to be aware of it. I've said this in all my videos. I care about you guys, and I want you guys to be aware that this could spike, and a bunch of people who are really not, frankly, fully invested, who are just writing this to basically get a short term gain, which to me they're missing out on the long term tremendous possibility of Doge and everything that's happening to it and will continue to happen to it. That could happen. There could be some significant profit taking and we could drop. But I'm not worried about it in the long term, guys. I'm really, really not. So I'm just telling you that. I want you to be aware of that is absolutely that something could happen. I'm going to remind you that back around the end of the mid last month, we were trading at 9 cents. We're at 57 right now, okay? Yes, we hit our peak of 65 and we actually did touch 69, give or take, somewhere in that area. Although it's not showing on this chart, we did touch it. And you know, we've had this kind of red candlestick scenario here where we've got a little bit of pullback action. Again, not fully expecting that. We should see some potential run up tomorrow being Friday, and obviously moving forward into Saturday, see what happens as we continue to move forward. I always point this out. Remember, the red line here is our, sorry about that. The red line is our, sorry, I hit my mouse button. Our red line is our 20-day moving average. Our purple is our 50-day moving average. And you can see that we don't even come close to kind of hitting that 20-day. That 20-day moving average is absolutely our support line. We've got a beautiful, beautiful little trend line working here. That looks better. A little bit more of an arc up. Got a really nice trend line here. Very, very established trend. I mean, realize that it's what, approximately 3 weeks old, give or take, and we're moving up. Again, on Saturday we were at 33 cents. So we've had a significant run up. This doesn't surprise me that we've got this little pullback here where we're down about 10.35%, give or take. We've been down kind of all day for the last 24 hours, give or take. And again, not a hugely surprising scenario. I like the volume too. Got really nice little spikes in the volume. Everything kind of looks pretty good. Okay, let's take a look at the market cap. So right now, before I refresh, we were at 74. 0.02 billion. Let me refresh and see where we're at here. Okay, we've gone up a little bit. So now we're at 76.07 billion. My goal is these guys, okay? My goal is to overtake Binance. We overtook XRP pretty easily, relatively, right? I mean, we definitely did. And, you know, we just blew right past those guys. And so now we're at, you know, we got our sights set on Binance. I'm not bullying on XRP. I'm a fan of XRP. I cover XRP on my channel here. So definitely, again, I'm just overall bullish on what's going on here. Now, interestingly enough, this is showing a 1 hour up 8.53%. And right here, so we maybe, yeah, we've actually come back a little bit. Okay, so this is cool, good news. Okay, so in the last hour, we've come back up 8.53, and we're in the last 24 hours, we're down 9%. I realize that these don't always match up. Actually, they do right now. So I just had to refresh the screen. So there we go. So maybe we're beginning to potentially have a nice little run back up. So we're at 58.75. Let's refresh and see what happens. Let's see what we get. Yeah, there we go. Up 8.84. So we picked up another, you know, half a quarter. So or half of a, you know what I'm saying. It's late. It's basically really late for me, and I've been doing these videos all day. So looking good. We're maybe starting to pick up some momentum here and starting to move up. So we got the 1 hour now. I'm just curious. I'm going to refresh it. Nope, we're about the same. 8.84 up. So let me give you a little bit of additional information of what's going on here real quickly. Looking at, you know, we got some Slim Jim tweets that have been retweeted and are kind of going on. This is what I wanted to show you right here. Nope, this is an old tweet from Mark Cuban. Just really talking about, I'm one more over, apologize. This one's talking about the fact that Cuban is talking about they've sold 122,000 in Doge. I'm going to remind you that the Oakland A's picked up Dogecoin. They're starting to let people use it. The Houston Rockets have picked them up. Guy Fieri, you can use Dogecoin to buy stuff in his restaurants, I believe. But this is the Twitter scenario I wanted to. Where did it go? Oh shoot. Okay, where was it? Hold on. Well, it was here. There it is. Here we go, right there. So right here, Elon Musk, this is him. So David Spade, if you know who David is, he's a pretty famous comedian and actor, said, I wonder if Elon Musk on SNL will be a 90-minute infomercial for Dogecoin, buying it as we speak. I thought that was pretty cool. And look, Elon responded with a couple of laughing faces there. I just thought that was funny. So as you know, Twitter is a big time, a lot of where you know, a lot of this is going down as far as that. If you weren't aware of this, there was a rumor today that was kind of squashed. There was a big rumor that there was a massive $25 billion whale out there, and there was a rumor that it was Robinhood. That is in fact kind of gone away because Robinhood has officially come out and said, "Hey, no, it's not us. You know, the coins that we have, we're only holding them for providing access and holdings for our customers. We don't have significant positions, and they're not holding." So if that's something that you were kind of out there thinking about, or it was on your maybe on your radar, that's kind of been squashed, if you will. So make sure, yep. All right, I was checking the time, make sure I've covered enough, and I think I have. Again, this has been basically a nice little video updating it, and guys, we are coming back right now from when I started. I think we were starting at 57 cents when I started, and we're absolutely coming back up 59. So look at this trend line right here, right, the last little bar. So we've absolutely come back and regained some of that we had given back. So we're looking good here. Let's refresh this guy right here. See what we're up. Yep, we're up 9.52% in the last hour. Okay, so we're looking good. We should touch 60 cents here pretty quick and continue maybe looking like our run back up. There you go. We're getting closer, man. It's looking good. All right, that's awesome. So I'm glad. I want to end on a high note, and end on that note, I'm headed to bed. It's about 11 o'clock my time. I'm in central United States, so it's about midnight on the East Coast. And yes, I know for you California folk, you're 2 hours behind us, so this is definitely not your midnight update, but it's your late night update. And looks like we've got some positive momentum. I just can't help myself. I want to refresh. 9.52. and we're staying at 9.52. All right, so we haven't gotten an update. All right, let's end on that note. As I always say, go make some money, and let's try to make more tomorrow than we did today. Long on Doge. This has been your midnight update. I'm gonna continue to do these as long as you guys like and want them. I'll continue to be here for you doing these vids. All right, take it easy. Good night. See you. Bye.